This is a 2023 Mini John Cooper Works, but it's not any ordinary Mini John Cooper Works. This one is customized to the owner's taste, and it is incredible. So let's dive into some of the things the owner has done with this car. For starters, you'll notice the aesthetics, the new vinyl stripes, and this circle here with the John Cooper name on it. The vinyl looks really cool. This gray off-center stripe is really neat too. Stripes go all the way down to the front bumper. You come around to the side, the scuttles have been wrapped with white instead of the red. You come around over here, you got a nice big 37 on the door of the car, on the quarter panel as well. This is a zesty yellow JCW hardtop. It just looks incredible, and he also spec'd it out with the white multi-tone roof and no sunroof, no less, so really cool there. You'll notice the GP wing back here, and yes, this is a real GP wing that he had modified to work on the car. So he had the inside of it, as you know, they're red, had it wrapped in yellow to match the car. Looks really cool, and it gives the car an incredibly aggressive look overall. You'll also notice the car's stance. Now, this car sits on the JCW Pro coilovers, but there's a bit of an added bonus with this. And to see this, you have to get under the hood. He added Silver Project camber plates, which allow him to give the car a little bit more camber, especially given the fact that he has 19x8 OZ Super Turismo Aero HLT wheels on this car with 235/30/19 Michelin tires. So really big setup on this car for the wheels, and in order to make them fit, he had to camber the front of the car so that they would actually tuck in there and look nice. And they do look incredibly nice. This car just looks aggressive overall. He also added an NM Engineering strut brace right here as well. Now, I noticed the car is incredibly slick feeling, so he did ceramic coat it recently to make it shiny and really pretty. I love this car. He also added a few other accessories on here. He has a OEM stitched carbon fiber hood scoop, and out back another factory accessory here, a stitched carbon fiber boot handle as well. So really, really nice overall. Now, unlike my car, which has the Pro exhaust, this owner installed an NVIDIA stainless steel catback exhaust. It sounds incredible. He also added this carbon fiber diffuser down low, and he had the inside of the stock diffuser wrapped in a vinyl that mimics the Lamborghini exhaust system. So looks really cool, and from a distance, it just looks really neat. I really like that. Now, if you're curious who did the vinyl, it's the same guy who did my vinyl. It's Todd Pearson of Motoring Stripes. Now, inside is where things get really interesting, because it's not just enough to customize the exterior of your Mini. This owner customized the interior. And look at this. This is yellow Alcantara. He had the gray removed and replaced with yellow Alcantara, and holy smoke. And he even did it in back too. This just looks incredible. It is just so cool. I love the look of this. And it works very well with the car. The yellow exterior on the car, the yellow on the interior, it just works. It is such a cool aesthetic. This guy knows his Minis, he knows what he wants on his Mini, and he did it beautifully. This is just a really, really pretty car. Now, as far as engine tuning goes, we already know it's difficult to tune the 2022 and newer John Cooper Works Minis. So this owner went to PRZ Performance, and I will include a Instagram handle for them in the description below of this video, and had them install a pop and crackle tune. And he did it by changing a few of the settings in the computer to allow that to happen. The result is, I have the car in sport mode right now, and let's see if we can get it to make some noise. Yep, it makes some noise. It makes some good noise. Yeah. I love it. I just love that sound. Now, as far as optional equipment goes with this car, it is a JCW after all. He does have touchscreen navigation with Apple CarPlay. He has a checkered, I want to call this a checkered dash panel, because I've never seen it before in a JCW, but he has the checkered dash. And he has a head-up display there, and if I could show it right, there you can kind of see it. It has the JCW gauges up in the head-up display as well. Really nice car. I gotta stop doing that, revving the engine. That's just gonna be, yeah. So as far as modifications go, you can do almost anything with a JCW. He did this car exactly how he wanted it. Now, he also added 5mm spacers up front to fit the wheels just a little bit better, because these wheels really are cutting just a bit close to those calipers. So he needed to have something to clear them, and that was the only way to do it, so he did that. It is just a really cool looking car, and he carried over a theme from his previous Minis. He installed some purple on those center caps right there on the wheels. And if you happen to be buying a new JCW from Bear Mini and you want to do something like this, just talk to the sales manager here. He'll help you configure one, modify it however you want it to look so that it is truly a unique car to your exact taste. This one fits the owner perfectly. It's very impressive. It's very clean. It's very well done. The coloring is right. The vinyl is right. The wheels are right. The aesthetic overall is just fantastic. I wonder if he'll let me take it out for a drive. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.